Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Roy, and welcome to my channel, 40 and Broke, where we're all about getting out of debt, saving, investing, and getting our finances under control so we can live the life we've always dreamed of. Because that's what it's all about, living the life we've always dreamed of. So, I apologize about the light. I apologize about how it's auto-dimming and auto-correcting there. I'm in my truck. I'm at work. I finally have a couple minutes to sit down and write a video, or do a video, and now they start loading me, so it's going to be shaking a little bit, and hopefully I can get this video done before they get me loaded. So why haven't I done a video? I've been crazy busy. I want to thank everybody that has reached out and said, hey, is everything all right? You know, we haven't seen a video from you in a while, and basically everything's just been rinse and repeat. So, and all the people that said have asked if everything's okay. Yes, everything's okay. Like I said, crazy busy. I'm working 10, 12-hour days at work. By the time I get home, it's late. And then like the couple times I've actually had a chance to sit down and do a video, I'm just like, I'm beat. I'm dead tired. Or I got something else I need to get done instead. So tiny bit of procrastination, a lot of bit busy. That's basically been what it is. So let me give everybody an update on how my finances have been. A goddamn train wreck. That's how my finances have been, because I have not been holding myself accountable. Coming on YouTube really helps me hold myself accountable. I've not been holding myself accountable. I've been buying stuff. I just bought brand new furniture yesterday. I mean, I have the money in my account to pay it all, but I opened up a credit card. Why not? I was like, 12 months, 0% interest. You know how that goes. So I got the credit card, and I put it on the card. So, but that gave the wife the new furniture that she wanted. Our furniture's well over 20 years old. So we got some new furniture. I'll have it paid off quick. Let's see. 2, car repairs. Car repairs have been, I hear somebody yelling. I'm wondering if that's them in the trailer. I don't know. Who knows? Anyways, car repairs have been killing me lately. My emergency fund is down to $1,000. Now I see this video is seizing up. My phone is really beginning to piss me off. So let's just hope that everything's catches back up, because otherwise, well, that was odd. My phone literally just stopped recording on me. So, but what was I saying? Car repairs have been killing me, and they're done loading me. Go figure. All right. Okay, let's see. Third time's a charm. This is how my week, my month, my year has been going. So, third time trying to record this video. I'm at my last stop. Hopefully, because I'm 11 hours into this day and I'm still an hour away from the yard. So, yeah, that's how this week's starting out. Been great. And I wasn't even able to make one of my stops because I got to it so late. They were like, yeah, we got to send the guy home. He can't get any overtime. So, yeah, this is basically how my year's been going. It's just go, 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 go. So where was I at? So that I try to get this done before this guy gets done loading me, which shouldn't take too long. I was talking about auto repairs. So the maintenance on my car. So I started out, I needed new tires. So I got the new tires. That cost me $800. Then I put brakes on my truck. That cost me another $100 because I put some decent brakes on it. And then one of my calipers was seized up. So that cost me $70. So there's $970, let's say $975. Then I needed a lug nut because they stripped out the lug nut when they put the tires on. They didn't have a thread chaser to fix it and put a new lug nut on it. So I had to go to my brother's, borrow a thread chaser, put that on, re-chase the thread on the lug, and then get a new lug nut, which cost me $5. So we'll just bump that up to what did I say? What we're at 175. So we're at $975. Then my car, I was checking the tire on it. The inside of the tire was wore down to the threads. So come to find out that needed an alignment. So I needed 2 new tires because both sides, the front tires were bad. 2 tires and an alignment. That cost me $300 and some change. And my truck still, sorry, this keeps auto adjusting. And my truck still has to go in at the beginning of June for a $300 fix because it needs an upper ball joint, which if I could buy the upper ball joint itself, I would press it in myself, but you can't. You've got to buy the entire control arm with the ball joint in it. So then it's like, I'll just have them do it. They can replace it. They're going to do an alignment on my truck. Boom, get it all done at once. So that's where my emergency fund is gone. That's where all the money I had saved up for the savings challenges that I had, gone. I said I just bought furniture. Yeah. So, I mean, like I said, I can use some of the money. I put some of the money on my credit card because the zero financing one didn't work all the way. Or it didn't cover it all. I spent $2,100. I got $1,500 on the card, 6 and some change. Went on my credit card, so I'll just use some money that I have in my account to pay for that. So that way I'm not getting charged interest on that credit card. But that is how my finances have been going. Let's see, anything good? Might be getting a bonus at work. Find out maybe this week if we made it the 3 days during the Blitz week to without any violations. If we did, we were going to get $1,000. So that'll be nice if that happens. Boom, I'll put that right onto that furniture I just bought. So yeah, this is my finances. That's it's crazy. But I do have an update on my Road to 1 Million challenge. So hopefully I can get that video done soon, and I'll put that up. So I've been making a little bit of progress on that. But other than that, I've just been, killing it on fetch rewards. So if you don't have fetch, get down there in the description box there, get you some fetch, snap pictures of your receipt, make you some money. You're already spending the money, especially in this inflation. You're already spending the money on groceries. Might as well save you some, get some of that money back by snapping those receipts, Receipt Hog, fetch, all that stuff. And like I said, look down in those links below, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about it when I do my Road to 1 Million challenge update. So, but all right, that's what this is. Quick, simple, not much going on besides things are just a train wreck. And, I'm staying afloat, but, my savings are getting eaten away, That, and I've really been bad at eating out lately because things have just been crazy at home, and it's just like, let's just order something to eat. We'll order something to eat. It's like when I get home at 7 o'clock, 7:30, and it's like, oh, nothing's even been started. I'm like, let's just order something. I'm hungry now, and so that's how it's been. That's how my life's been lately. But all right, I'm all done. Talk to you later.
Now you strapped him in?
Yeah, I'll grab him right now because I'll put my
well,
pallet jack in. All right, thank you. Okay, so I'm back here just trying to finish this up, and that tells you how everything has been on my days, my weeks. I mean, this is the 4th attempt. It's taken 4 times to record this one video. So I basically had to edit 4 different videos together because that's how things have been going. And to be honest with you, today's the next day. So yeah, and I'm sitting at another stop, but hey, at least I'm going to have some time to do another video. And I just wanted to come in here and say, you know what? Sorry I've been MIA, but things have just been crazy. So All right, everybody. I just want to thank you for watching this and say, have a great day. Even when things are down, just keep pushing forward, keep plowing forward, because you know what? You're going to get there. So, all right, everybody. Have a good one. Catch you later.